Today, we will make Lumpiang Shanghai. Ito yung paborito ng lahat. Okay, ito yung mga ingredients natin. We're gonna use 2 eggs, ground pepper, green onions, salt. Ito yung on my Lumpiang Shanghai, I put carrots. Instead, I use potato instead of water chestnut. And also celery. This is the ground pork. And the onion. And a garlic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix all this one and we will grind. And at the same time, I can put also my garlic and also the onion. Can put all together. And now we will grind it. Okay, now we will mix these ingredients to the meat. And now we will put the egg. And then we'll put this is the ground pepper, around one teaspoon. And also this is the salt. Let's say put that's 1 teaspoon. And also this is the green onion. Okay, ngayon hahaluin na natin. Madali lang gawin. It's easy to make this Lumpiang Shanghai. Doing the wrap. And we have this. You can buy at Chinese store or Filipino store, also in supermarket. So ngayon, magbabalot tayo ng ating lumpia. Ito yung ating wrapper. Then you can do what you need to do. You need to separate it one by one. Okay. We will wrap 1 spoon and then get the eggs fold like this. 1, 2, then get, I use egg for my sealing so that it will stay, or either some people they use just water, but for me I use the egg. See? Okay, then we will deep fry it. So I finished wrapping all the egg rolls, so this is what all I have, and I put some in the freezer for next time. So now we will cook. It's ready. Our oil is ready to, it's very hot now, so I can do this. See? You cook until it's getting brown. That's why okay, ito na ngayon. It's done. So, we'll try one and see how is it. Wow. See? Wow, looks so good and yummy. This, everybody likes this. See? It's hot. See? Thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. Thank you.